So, hello everyone. My name is Ashwini Kumar Bhargav, and I'm going to discuss about how to write a research paper. So, let's start with our introduction. Our first point is research paper communicate original research finding. If you want to publish your research paper on several platforms like Elsevier publication, Francis publication, or any other publication, then you have to perform your own experiments, not taking data from ChatGPT and just copy it. That's not good thing. If you will do like this, then definitely your paper will cancelled or rejected. Our second point is they follow a structured format for clarity and credibility. Like, let's suppose I want to publish my paper with Elsevier publication. Elsevier publication has own structured format. For publishing in Elsevier publication, I have to follow that format only. Okay. Our third point is your subject must be from scientific field only. Then choosing a topic. Select a relevant and specific topic which you want to perform your experiments. And second thing is ensure enough research material is available in your institute only. Okay, if research material is not available, then how will you perform your experiment and all? And third thing is align with your interest and expertise. Okay, now we will see growth of research publication over time, how they varies. Okay, in 2015 only 1500 paper was published, only 1500 500 only. In 2017 approximately 800 papers was published. Okay, in 2019 you will see how they increase. Okay, and approximately in 2015 3000 or 3500 paper was published. Okay, in 2024. Okay, so top research paper publisher. First is IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. Second is Elsevier. Third is Springers. Fourth is Ville. And fifth is Taylor and Francis. If you want to publish your paper with a specific subject like solar energy or renewable energy and other thing, then Elsevier is very good publication. Okay. And if you want to publish your paper in ML machine learning field or your CSC background, then Springer and Ville is the most important and most beautiful publisher for you. Okay. Then conducting research. Use credible resources like journals, books, conferences, website. You have to read all the thing. Okay. Keep track of references. Take detailed notes. Okay. Structure of your paper. How you write a paper after experiment and all. So first you have to write title, concise and informative, not very big. Okay. Abstract, summary of the paper, introduction, background and objectives, methodology, research method, how you perform your experiment, how is your experimental setup and all, result and discussion, what from the experiment, what you find. Just write that thing in this section only. Conclusion and references, cite source properly. Okay. Writing the abstract, how you write your abstract. First objective, why was the research conducted, why you perform your research methods, how was the study performed, result, key finding, and conclusion. Not in very big way. Okay, write this thing in very concise way. Okay, in 200 to 250 words only. Okay. Writing in introduction, provide background information, define research problem and objectives. What is your problem? Okay, explain the significance of your study. Okay. Then methodology, describe research design, what are your experimental setup, what tools you use. Okay, mention tools, techniques and data collection method, ensure reproducibility. Result and discussion section, present finding using tables, graph and chart, interpret the results, compare with existing literatures. All the thing you have to follow from that format. Okay. Writing the conclusion, summarize key finding, discuss implication, suggest future research direction. That's a very important thing. If you miss that thing, then your paper may be rejected. Okay. Referencing citation, there are many type of citation style like APA, IEEE, MLA. Okay, you have to follow any other according to format only, according to publisher format. Okay, maintain a reference list. Okay, use tool like Jotero, Mendeley, and EndNote for making a graph and all thing. And this Jotero and Mendeley or EndNote, this is all the tool we use for citation style only. Okay, or to find reference list only. Okay. Final tips: write clearly and concisely. Write everything very clear and concise way. Okay. Then that thing get feedback from peer or mentors. You have to wait. Okay. Acceptance rate of research paper, top publisher. Like in Taylor and Francis, the acceptance rate is approximately 40%. In Ville, acceptance rate is 35%. Springer, the acceptance rate is 30% only. And IEEE, the acceptance rate is 20 only. In LGBA, the acceptance rate is 25. Like they varies from their impact factor. Okay, what's the conclusion for our section? Writing a research paper required organization clarity. Follow the structured approach for better impact. Stay ethical and research and citation. Okay, thank you all. And if you have any doubt, then kindly contact me. Okay, my phone number is 70811 29344, and that's all.